Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom, so come on with me guys. So what I do is I'm spraying that multi-purpose cleaner, the dupe from Dollar Tree. It's called the pink stuff. I spray the whole tub down with that first, and then I always go back to the old stuff, guys, the Comet with bleach. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Home Cleaning Motivation, and that's hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. As in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. So if there's anyone that would love to join this collaboration who's already doing all this cleaning, I would be more than happy to receive you guys. Just send me a message and I'll add you to the thumbnail. So we leave that stuff soaking in the bathtub with the bleach, and I'm going to do the same process over here with the toilet bowl. Now we're going to move on to the sink. So I'm pretty much doing the same process over here with the sink, except we don't really need to leave that soaking at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned off before we go back to the other two places to get those two clean. Now, even though the sink is clean, you'll see me moving stuff around, guys. You're gonna see me moving everything over to the sink area, even though it's clean, so that I can get the toilet cleaned up, and then we're gonna go over to the bathtub. So I'll see you toward the end of the video. Now, always remember that the Foodie Grocery Haul and the Home Cleaning Motivation are open playlists. Whenever you make your video, just release your video, use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to update you on the playlist every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I already swept the bathroom. I'm just changing the garbage bag here, replacing the rug back, and we'll be pretty close to going over to the reveal. I am so happy. The bathroom is nice and clean. There's nothing like a clean bathroom, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.